Today's video highlights 10 finance books every young adult should read this year. As young adults, we often feel lost when managing our money. When we try to learn about money management, we're bombarded with either schemes promising quick wealth or overly complicated guides online. If you've experienced this, know that you're not alone. Studies show that many young adults in the US face significant financial challenges without much preparation. For instance, many are dealing with student loans and struggling to establish a good credit score, all while earning limited income. If you're in this situation, there is good news. You can improve your finances by reading a few books to help young adults gain the necessary knowledge. Therefore, we've rounded up 10 insightful books to help you start on the right foot. Book 10, Pay Less for College by Elizabeth Walter and Deborah Throw. For most young adults, the thought of affording college without accumulating a lifetime of debt can be so overwhelming. But before you panic, breathe and check out Pay Less for College by Elizabeth Walter and Deborah Throw. Having this book is like having your personal finance coach. It's packed with practical advice on how to afford college without drowning in debt. The authors understand how confusing college financial aid info can be, so they've created this guide to help you plan your finances smartly and make informed decisions about funding your education. Unlike those generic finance books that cover general stuff, this one focuses specifically on college costs. Whether you're already in college, about to start, or helping a family member through the process, this book has the tips to save money, find scholarships and grants, and make the most of financial aid opportunities. So if you're serious about taking charge of your college finances and avoiding unnecessary debt, Pay Less for College is a must-read. Book 9, How to Adult: Personal Finance for the Real World by Jake Cousineau. This book is an essential resource for high school graduates, college students, and other young adults just diving into the world of adulthood. It covers everything you need to know about managing your money in the real world, from the basics like budgeting and saving to more advanced topics like investing, retirement accounts, taxes, and insurance. This book breaks down complex financial concepts into an easy-to-understand language, equipping young adults with the fundamental skills they need to navigate the financial challenges of adulthood. Fair warning, How to Adult may be longer and more detailed than other books, so it might not be the easiest read for everyone, especially if you're not big on reading, but trust me, it's worth it. Think of it as a valuable resource you can keep referring to as you journey through adulthood. Book 8, Quit Like a Millionaire by Christy Shen and Bryce Lung. If you dream of retiring early and living on your terms while still young, this book spills all the secrets to making that dream a reality. In this eye-opening read, Christy Shen and Bryce Lung challenge the traditional notion of retirement and show you how to achieve financial independence at a young age. They offer fresh insights into living a nomadic lifestyle and redefining the purpose of money, even if you choose to use it in unconventional ways. So, if you're craving inspiration and practical advice on how to break free from the standard retirement path, add this to your reading list ASAP. Book 7, How to Money by Katherine Tuggle and Jean Chatzky. Written by experts in the field, this book delivers practical advice on various personal finance topics. From budgeting and saving to investing and managing debt, it covers all the essentials you need to know to take control of your financial future. What sets How to Money apart is its organized approach. It's split into 5 easy-to-follow sections: earn it, manage it, use it, get schooled, and look to the future. This structure makes it simple to navigate through the wealth of information and apply it to your financial situation. Moreover, the authors present everything in a way that's easy to understand, with real-life examples that resonate with young adults like us. So even if you're not a finance whiz, you'll feel empowered to make informed decisions about your money after reading this book. So this is a must-read to build a solid financial future and avoid the common pitfalls that trip up so many young people. Trust me, it's an investment in yourself that'll pay off big time. Book 6, Get a Financial Life: Personal Finance in Your 20s and 30s. You probably think, but isn't this book kind of old? Sure, it was first published in 1996, but it's still as relevant as ever. It's been a lifesaver for countless young people during tough economic times like the 2001, 2008, and 2009 recessions. So you can trust that the advice in this New York Times bestseller stands the test of time. Whether starting in your 20s or navigating through your 30s, Koblenner dives into everything you need to know about setting financial goals, budgeting, saving, investing, taxes, buying a home, insurance, and other crucial financial issues. Here's the best part. Koblenner breaks down all those intimidating financial concepts into easy-to-understand language. So even if you're a total newbie to the world of finance, you'll feel right at home with this book. So if you're looking for a solid introduction to personal finance that's simple, accessible, and packed with practical tips, get this book right now. Book 5, Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear. If you're serious about leveling up your habits and unlocking success in all areas of your life, this book is an absolute must-read. In it, the author breaks down the science of habit formation in an easy-to-understand and applied way. Whether you're looking to build wealth, achieve success, or simply improve your life, this book provides practical strategies to help you achieve the desired results. Furthermore, the lessons you'll learn from Atomic Habits extend far beyond your finances. This book has the power to transform every aspect of your life. By mastering the art of cultivating positive habits, you can transform your money mindset and unlock your potential in various areas, whether pursuing fitness goals, aiming to wake up at 5 a.m. daily, or striving to become a millionaire. Book 4, You Are a Badass at Making Money. Master the Mindset of Wealth by Jen Sincero. This book is generating much buzz in the personal finance community. While most personal finance books focus solely on practical steps, this one takes a refreshing approach by diving into the mindset shifts needed to unlock your financial potential. Jen Sincero breaks down the mental blocks that hold us back from achieving financial success and provides a guilt-free, positive perspective on money. Through her journey of overcoming financial struggles, Sincero shows readers what's possible and empowers them to dream big regarding their finances. With her witty and engaging writing style, reading this book feels like chatting with a supportive friend, cheering you on every step of the way. By the time you finish, You Are a Badass at Making Money, you'll feel confident enough to tackle any financial challenges that come your way. So, if you're tired of feeling stuck and want to change your money mindset for good, this is the book you've been waiting for. Book 3, Broke Millennial by Erin Lowry. This book is jam-packed with invaluable tips covering everything from budgeting and saving to investing and debt management. Through relatable true stories and simple language, Lowry breaks down complex financial topics in a way that's easy to understand and engaging to read. What's more, Broke Millennial brings a refreshing perspective. Unlike many other personal finance books written by older, financially stable authors, Lowry approaches the subject with empathy and understanding. She acknowledges that we all make mistakes and need help, not judgment when managing our finances. Broke Millennial offers a realistic and sympathetic viewpoint that resonates with young adults navigating their financial journey. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances without feeling overwhelmed or judged, this book is a must-read. Book 2, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Ever find yourself wishing you were better at handling your money? If so, this book may change your perspective. Understandably, finance books can sometimes be dry and overwhelming, but this one is different. Instead of focusing on complicated strategies, Housel shares 19 engaging stories that delve into the psychology behind our money decisions. Have you ever wondered why some people are great at saving while others struggle? Housel explains it's about knowing about money and our behaviors and attitudes. He shows how our emotions and past experiences influence our financial habits through relatable stories. This book isn't a step-by-step guide on how to save money, but it will make you think deeply about your relationship with money. By the end, you'll reflect on your spending habits and understand why you make certain financial decisions. So, if you're ready to gain insights into wealth, greed, and happiness while entertained by engaging stories, then The Psychology of Money is worth a read. Book 1, The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. This book is for people who are new to investing. For many of us, investing often seems like something reserved for the wealthy. But this mindset often holds us back from starting early and maximizing the potential growth of our assets. Fortunately, this book addresses everything young individuals need to understand about investing and taking those crucial first steps, alongside other essential personal finance knowledge. The investment world can seem intimidating, especially for young adults and beginners. But The Simple Path to Wealth provides the essential tools and knowledge to help you easily navigate the investment world. Now, if you're looking for a book that covers various personal finance topics, this might not be your top choice because it primarily focuses on investing. But if you're eager to begin investing, grab yourself a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth. The bottom line is that reading is a great way to absorb new ideas and perspectives. If any of the books mentioned in this video pique your interest, you could borrow a copy from your local library, or if you prefer to own one, you can easily order it online.